Hello and welcome in Drupal Ocean. I'm Rakim. Here I'll teach you about the Drupal 7 and we would proceed ahead step by step for the learning the Drupals. Here we would cover from the initial step to the advanced steps in the first tutorial, and I would ask everybody for yourself, if you like our videos, to kindly subscribe our channel and share to another ones too. So there's the first tutorial of Drupal. Here we would learn in this tutorial for adding the content in the Drupal. Basically in Drupal we find the content. For adding the content we'll have to first come on the content menu in the admin menu bar first, and we have actually already installed Drupals. And another tutorial also we will learn how to install the Drupals in our system. So for adding the content, first we will come on the admin menu. Here is the content menu defined. On clicking it will show ourselves for adding the content. There is another menu for adding the content, for add content. When we'll click here on add content, it will show our article and basic page. Basically Drupal by default give ourselves two content for adding content, article and basic page, and for adding more it also given we can also add more content type. For adding for more content type we would learn on the further videos we would like to upload, and stay tuned for learning more. So first in the adding for any content, so suppose we are to add a basic page. First of all we would learn the basic page, then we would learn the article, and the more tutorials we would learn how to add more content type also. For adding basic page, just click basic page. Here the title, enter the title of the basic page, whatsoever the title we would like to keep for this. For suppose we are entering this title about us. Here we can enter whatsoever we want, and now here we will enter the text of the about us page. Here we're just copying it. You can do whatsoever you want. And also there is by default Drupal is providing the filter full or plain HTML. Actually here we can enter more what actually going on. We can enter filter full or plain HTML. Right now I'm only doing by the filter HTML, and we can also use full HTML if you want more. And further in more tutorial we would like to learn how to install CK editor in order to implement more HTML functionality in our content type. So right now we're just leaving as it, and we are proceeding ahead now. Here is several other options given. First of all we would like to proceed only by the default. Just click save. On clicking save we will see that our content has been added. It is showing the message that basic page about us has been created. So this page has been successfully created in the Drupal. For now we would go for further setting on this. For editing it we can do by the two methods. First either by here, just by go here, and we will able to reach on this page. We'll able to on this page edit page. Now we will have to edit the further setting. For suppose any here we were discussing about the menu setting. Currently we are not providing any menu, or for example suppose you want to provide any menu, so we just click this, click menu, and now you will click menu title, description, whatsoever the description you want to give. We're just leaving it as default. We're not entering it, but you can just enter that if you're just thinking for any further help. Parent menu items, here we would like to define what is the parent menu. I'm only entering it in the main menu. And the weight, here the weight, what is the weight? First of all let's discuss what's the weight. Weight is basically it will define the weight. Suppose our menu weight is more weight will define that our menu would come later. As the weight would be less, menu will come first. So if we want to define our menu, there it should become the first position. So define weight as less as you can, or if you want that your menu should be on the later position, so you can define more weight. So right now we're just leaving it as default, and now just saving it. here we are finding that the menu about it begin to show, and the home page it's not showing. It is a home page, it is the first menu now, and the home page is second. For example, we want the about us second and home in the first position. So what would we go? We will just go the edit, and we will define this weight, and its weight would be for whatsoever you want, should be greater than the weight of home. Now we save this. Now when we will see, now the home is the first position and about is in the second position. That is the first tutorial of this series. We would like to further uploading more tutorial in order to teach you more about Drupal. We would ask everybody to just share and like our videos, and also subscribe for our channel for learning more in Drupal Ocean. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.